Disruptive innovation and green technologies are making the world spin faster towards a sustainable future. That's why two industry giants are joining forces today. Nidec, the world's leading comprehensive motor manufacturer, and Embraer, one of the largest aerospace companies, coming together in a seamless synergy powered by clean energy. United to spearhead a new era of air mobility by developing electric motors for aerospace industry's needs, powering more efficient and greener aircraft models, combining expertises to unlock new markets and to reach new heights, empowering the skies with clean, efficient, and sustainable motors to make the world spin better.